Yeah, hello, tick traders. Today, I want to record the continuation of the last video where I show you some of my earnings with the strategy I'm using. Sorry, I'm on laptop today, not on mobile phone. And let me see. Okay, now as I've told you that cashing spike is very easy. Well, don't let me say that's much easy. Are you getting it now? It's what I'm trying to borrow an English is logical. Yeah, let me use that. Permit me. Technically, it's technically logical. Understand? And you need to know your entry point, where to catch, where spike will occur. Understand? And this entry point where spike will occur is not that accurate. Understand? It may be maybe within 1 to 5 candles spike will occur. Understand? So but you have to get that. Now that is the psychology of what I'm doing. Now if today on this I'm using RSI, then Ichimoku here, then here I'm using baby here. This is what I'll be using today. Then apart from this is one of the settings I have there. Then the other settings, which is the one I recorded last time, which I called bars. Understand? BERS. That is Bollinger, envelope, RSI, and stochastic. That one is very is the same thing with this. Understand? But these are the two strategies I'm using and I'm building on, and I want you guys to follow me. Now I want to catch spike now, just for recording purpose. Then I've not touched anything. Now the first thing you're going to do is just go to your H1. This is M1. Go to your H1 and see what is happening in the market. Let me remove this red line. Good. Now on your H1, this is the current candle. As you can see, let me zoom out. This is the current candle. Then the current price is here. Are you getting it now? Now let's look at the next reversal candle. This is a next reversal candle. Are you getting at this one? This one. Are you getting it now? Then I can come here and say, okay, let me put my line here at this. Okay, I think the price hasn't reached this, but here let me put my line here. See, so it is a game of probability. Understand that if price reach here, it's going to spike down. Understand? So what we are doing now here is just probability of, okay, there's rejection, there's reversal here, rejection, and the candle reverse back. Instead of going up, it's reverse back. Understand? So why we are doing this is because the current candle is what is bearish. Understand? Because we want to catch spike on crash 300. If it is on boom 300 or boom, I get it now, it has to be bullish candle. I get it now. And the reason why we are doing this is because our current candle is bearish. Then there is a much of downward forces than upward forces. Are you getting it now? So then let's pick the next reversal point here, which is this one. Now that is that. Then you go to 30 minutes and see. Okay, let's see this is the current price. Okay, this is the current price. So we hope that when the price reach this place, it will spike. Understand? Now let's go to 15. I believe you guys are getting it. Okay, now that this is it. This is it. We have another point here on 15. Understand? Another point here on 15. Let's go to 1 minute. Okay, on 15. Okay, I think we have small spike, another point here on 15. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, think let's try to because of that small spike here. So let's see. I get it now, but mainly we are waiting for the price to get to these lines, understand? So we'll just try to sell. So let's go to 1 minute. Now our prediction is I'm hoping that this will spike below BB. Now let me show you I'll show you the settings. This BB is very good. It's very good. You can catch spike around BB very easy. If we go to the previous market, let's go back. See, from here it breaks, then it tends to go up back, keep coming down, it tends to go up back, then keep coming down, then here you can see spike. So anytime you try to catch spike here, maybe 1 to 5 candles and there's no spike, understand, just leave the market, understand, candle as loss, understand. So but it's very certain spikes always occur. Now like this, from here goes up here, then spikes occur down, goes up again, then come down, goes up, down. So I get it now. So you can take that one as a level, a point of catching spike easily. So okay, so now the reason why I enter here is because I shouldn't have entered, because these small spikes, so it's like the buyers they are trying to prevent themselves from spike coming down, understand. But let's wait and see, because the Ichimoku, the reason why I say okay, let me catch spike here is, number one, I go to the H1 and see that okay, the current trend is, can you see, good? Can you see now is what bearish, understand. Then I use that to pick a level. Then here, when you go to M1, can you see now, when you go to M1 now, then we see that the Ichimoku is now in red zone. That is downtrend, understand. So it will be very easy for you to catch spike easily here, so this is how to catch spike easily. You don't need to kill yourself, you don't need to force the market. Once the market obey your rules, understand, then pick put a line at at some levels that you know that spike will occur. Are you getting it now? So what are those levels? Those levels are the levels of reversal rejections on H1, M30 or M15. Are you getting it now? So that is that. I don't know. Okay, let's just risk it. I don't know. I think there should be spike, but I'm not sure. But let's just put it, understand. Let's just put it. So, but I'm sure of this one. That's why we catch spike here, understand. So after 1 to 3 candles and there's no spike, I'll just log out, understand. So here I'm starting with $11. I getting it now. In the previous video I said I'm going to start with $8.13. So well, I lost that because I was trying to trade other volatility, understand. So now I'm starting with 11.07, and if I show you my account on the read, you will see that I have so many I've saved so many profits. Are you getting it now? Because I started with $10 and I've increased it to $400. I think now it's 500. It's 500 if I'm right. Are you getting it now? Let's see. Is it 5 or 4? Let's see. So okay, I think it's 500. So I around 501 $501. So I deduct $11 from it, understand, so making 490, understand. So all these I started with $10, understand, increasing it with this strategy I'm showing you. So it's very easy, very easy. So but one of the things you have to understand is trend is your friend. Number one, trend is your friend. Always go along with trend. If the trend is in favor of catching spike, you go along with it. If not, like this one, like here now, you see, if you try to catch spike and you see that after 1 2 3 4 5 there's no spike, just cut the loss, let the market be doing its own thing. Are you getting it now? So and here you see we're in what, down, a minor downtrend here, a minor downtrend here. So let me enter more and let's see what's going to happen next. Let's see what's going to happen, and let's go to each one and see. Okay, so I shouldn't have entered, but I'm just taking the risk because I'm supposed to allow it to touch this red, understand, but I feel that the market is going to spike down below. Even if it doesn't spike, then I'll just cut out the loss. Are you getting it now? After 5 candles, then you know it's okay to lose. It's okay to lose. It's okay to lose when you are trading. It's okay to lose, but this is the 4 rule I learned from one video online. One of the traders online. These 4 rules, just put it at the back of your mind, or you can write it down in your jotter. It will really help your psychology. It will really help your money management. And what are the rules? The rule 1 is end big. Rule 2 is end small. Rule 3 is lose small. And rule 4, which is very, very important, is never lose big. Don't ever lose big. Don't ever lose big. Understand? Don't ever lose big. We're still below $1. Understand? So I won't allow this to go beyond $2. Are you getting it now? Before I get out of the market, if the market is not in my favor now, because these are the level I'm expecting, understand. So I'm just saying, okay, let me see. I think it should spike down, understand. So I'm risking $2. So these are the rules: end big, end small, lose small, and never lose big. That 4th rule, never lose big, understand. Then monitor your money management, control your fear and your greed, understand. So with this, you see that even after so many losses, you will still be in profit at the long run. Can you see? These are the trade I took today. Can you see big wins? Are you getting it now? So and you see I have red also, but the red is small 2 4 1 0. Then win big. Can you see? Win big, win small, like that, 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 and like that. So can you see I'm having red, and at the same time I'm having much blues. Are you getting it now? Much blues, understand, to recover more, and I'm still in profit. I'm still in profit. Okay, this is the 5th candle. After this 5th candle, if there's no spike, oh, stop the loss. So but I know that there will be spike. It's going to spike below this BB, and it will be much more better if the candle spike below BB here. Are you getting it now? Spike below BB here, and it try to retrace it back up here, understand. So and it try to retrace it back up here, because when it spike like this and it retraces back to BB, it will surely spike down again. So that is one of the things you need to watch. I think that is that. So let me just take this loss out. Let me remove this. So let's see what's going to happen. So I've removed one loss. Let's see what's going to happen. So I don't want to make this video long, so let me just show you the settings. On the main chart I have BP. Just double click it, put 200, shift 1, then deviation is 0.005. you can choose the style of your choice. Then on this I have, first of all, you put the RSI. This is the RSI. This is the RSI. We have RSI for, although we're not going to use this RSI, we just want to use the window. So 14, no style. Then the level is 90, 80, 20, 10. That is that. Then I have moving average here. We have 50 moving average, shift 0, exponential, low. Apply to low, not close. Apply to low. Then pick orange, or you can pick any color you want. Then on Ichimoku, going to put Ichimoku here. I use 5252. So then we don't need thinking scene, kitchen scene, chical span. We don't need that. Then here, just we only need upper Kumo and down Kumo. The upper Kumo, you pick your style, lime color or green color, any color. Then the down Kumo, red. So this is that's that. Are you getting it down? That's that. So that's that. I think I can just cut the loss, because I said we should wait till they touch the line. This is the first line here. This is the first line here. So this is the first line here. Are you getting it now? So this is the first line here. This is the second line here. Then this is the third line here. Understand? So what's happening in the market, but I'm very sure that this will spike down. It's going to spike because we're in the red zone, and the H1. Okay, we've started another candle. I think we started another candle. Wow, I think we need to reconsider, because another candle has started, which is start with green candle, bullish. Which is bullish, but we'll wait for it to touch let it touch this line and see what's going to happen. If there's no spike, then we take that as lost. Then we leave the market for the next time. I get to it now. So that is that. You don't need to force yourself. Just make use of those levels as your entry point, and decided how much how much are you going to lose. How much are you going to lose if there is no spike? Maybe 1 or 2 or 3 candles. I would say if you don't have much, are you getting it now? Maybe 1 to 3 candles is okay. Are you getting it now? Because if the price go beyond this line, and after this line 1 to 3 candle forms and there's no spike, then just know that there won't be spike at that moment. Are you getting it now? So this is the first one for this line. This is second. This is the third one, but this one is just crossing now for this first line, and this is the third candle. Are you getting it now? So the just trying to play along with the market. Understand? So this is what I do. Understand? I don't just enter anyhow. Understand? Sorry for this one I did here. Understand? So I don't enter like that. Understand? So I enter based on these steps I show you, and the levels I pick, understand? So I may lose, but most of the time at those levels there there is always spike. Are you getting it now? So and that is exactly what I trying to show you. Now if we should look at this, see that here we're in uptrend here because it's above, they are above BB. Understand? This BB that you are seeing is still the same thing with the BB. Can you see? We have spike, but that spike is too small. Okay, that spike is small. Let's go to H1 and see. Okay, I think it just turned from green to bearish candle. I get it now, but it's like the Ichimoku is about to turn to green. Okay, don't know what's going to happen, but let's just wait. Let's wait and see, because most of the time you have to allow this candle to finish, or if you want to take your profit like that, no problem, because most of the time it can spike like this for some time, can spike small, and and allow people to go out of the market and continue that spikes. Are you getting it now? So that's why you have to be patient. Understand, this system also play on people's emotion. Understand, play on people's emotion, because I've seen that several times. It has happened to me several times that as this spikes like this, understand, it seems as if it's not going to spike again. Maybe from there you just take that small profit. After taking that, can you see, after taking that small profit, are you getting it now? It will now spike big, boo. Are you getting it now? So you just continue that spike. You now say, wow, I wouldn't have got out of the market. Understand? So just allow it to finish, and let it do its own thing. Understand? So you see what I'm saying now? So this is the level. These two lines, we picked the two line from H1, although this one I think I pick it from H15. So the H1 on is these two line, and look at this now. At this level here, it spiked down. So everything being at this level, you have much. Let's say you have like $1,000, you just put some crazy money here and wait for it, maybe risk one to three candles to go against you. Understand? You'll have been in serious profit now, because crash 300, a little move like this will give you massive profit. And don't forget, a little move also against you will bring much loss. So that's that. Okay, is it going to spike again? Let's see. Okay, don't know. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so I think I don't want to make this video long. If the price move beyond this line here and there's no spike, I'll just stop the market, then take that small profit. Or let me just do like this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Let me remove one. I get it now. And I'm expecting this to one, because this is a small spike. Don't know what's happening. Let's go to H1. I think it's trying to go back to being bullish. It's trying to go back to being bullish. Okay. Can you see what I'm talking about? So that's exactly what I'm talking about. That's exactly, although if I put the money I've saved like that 490 and I put it here and I pick big money here like $1, imagine what it's going to give me. It's going to be serious. Yeah, it's going to be around this range, around maybe $28 per one, understand, $19 per one, like that, understand. So like this, understand, like this profit that you are seeing here, 25, 26, so it's going to will be massive like that, understand. But I want to increase this small capital here. I get it, as I've done it before. I want to increase it. So I started with what, $11. So I think we are in loss because I already meant, I'm not patient here, understand. Should have wait for it to touch the line as I've mentioned, understand. So let's see, because I feel that this should spike more down. So but I'm going to stop the video now. So in the next video I'll be showing you the progress of this $11, which is now $9.34 because of my impatience. But now we'll keep increasing it. So when I get a certain amount with this, I'll record the video and I'll show you guys and what I'm doing. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, share, and let me know what you guys think. If you want one-on-one training, or you want me to show you how to catch spikes, even if you have $10, you can do this. Can you see what I'm saying now? You know, if you know what you are doing, you won't be scared of market. And I don't care other volatility indices, I don't care or any other. So we are back. I think we have 0.68 profit now, but I believe it should spike down. It should spike, but I'm not going to risk that anymore, because okay, let's just wait. If this candle form 1 or 2 candles and there's no spike below, I'll take the profit, then I'll call it a day, understand. You know, I was telling you that there will be more spike, but I'm expecting this to cross this BB. I get it now. I'm expecting it to cross BB, because at H1 here, this is our current bearish candle now, and it's trying to come down, understand. It can go up, I understand, it can go up, market can do whatever they want, understand. So if you look at this, and this is the current price, and the current reversal is here. The current reversal is here, understand. That's the current reversal is, that's the current rejection point, reversal point, understand. So I don't know. So let's just do this. Let me put another. So let's see, will it break down, will it spike down? So if this one finish forming and there's no spike, so we'll stop that. Are you getting it now? We'll stop that, and so that is that. But I believe there should be spike. There should be spike. Okay, so should we go out? Okay, let's don't let us be greedy, understand. Let's just go out, understand. That's just it. So thank you very much, and so this is it. So I'll keep continuing this, I'll keep increasing this as time goes on. Understand, I'll keep increasing this. You know, all these candles you are seeing, the rejection point, the reversal point, the wicks, all those things, they are your guidelines to help you to know when to enter and when to exit. But I believe there will be more spike soon. So thank you very much. Bye.